Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install Warhammer 40,000 Gladius Relics of War game for free via the Steam launcher. So without wasting time, here follow the steps very carefully. So first of all, open Steam, go to the store, and in search the store, search for the Warhammer 40,000 Gladius Relics of War, and then click on Warhammer 40,000 Gladius Relics of War game. Then scroll down, and here you will see get Warhammer 40,000 Gladius Relics of War free to keep when you get it before 28 May. So you will see add to account option, click on add to account, and then click to install now, and here you will see the game, and the file size is 3.62 GB. So click on install. Now read the EULA terms and condition and then click on accept, and then go to library, and here you will see that Warhammer 40,000 Gladius Relics of War game is getting downloaded on my PC. So I hope by following these steps you can also download and install Warhammer 40,000 Gladius Relics of War game for free via the Steam launcher until 28th of May. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.